Hey, Austin here with Kaivac. In this video, I'll walk you through replacing a hose cuff on a vacuum hose. This is a food service vac hose for the UniVac system. If you experience damage at the hose cuff, at the end of the hose, near the hose cuff, do not wrap this with duct tape. We recommend replacing the hose itself or the replacement hose cuff. This is a quick and easy process. We recommend wearing hand protection, and then also when using a knife or a sharp object, always use extreme caution. So I'm going to bring this over to the bench to give you a closer look of how we're going to remove this damaged hose cuff. As you can see, this is split really well along the line here on the outside of the vacuum hose. If you need to, you can cut more of the hose until you get to a point where it looks like this. And then we just need to make one last cut to get through that vacuum hose. So I'm going to stretch the hose apart and make a slit there. And we're left with something that looks like this. Okay, now that we have the old damaged hose cuff off of the vacuum hose, we're going to take the replacement hose cuff and thread it onto the vacuum hose. You simply align it and then screw the hose cuff counterclockwise until it stops. There's no glue required. Thanks for watching this video on how to replace the vacuum hose cuff. If you have any further questions or need more help, please contact Kaivac Tech Support and they'd be happy to help. Thanks.